Hey guys, it's Jay here. Today we are in my barn here and we're working on, we have some soft inks loaded up in our printer. And those are our soft inks here. You can see they're highly flexible items. If you want to print on things like leather or flexible items, they're really good. So we're going to play around with this a little bit today. And today I have some help. This is JC. He's going to be showing us printing on. You want to show him what we're printing on today?
We're printing on this mouse pad.
Show him how flexible that is, JC.
It's very flexible.
Very flexible. So that's something hard inks normally wouldn't want to print on, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we have an image ready, queued up here, and JC's going to show you how this prints out and how good the soft inks are for us. All right, go ahead, JC. Go ahead and load up the image and get it ready.
Okay, I'm going to show you guys how to import. First off, you click import. Then you click on the image you want. Our image is this one. We pick this image. Then you click open. And then you click OK. And then...
Are you printing? Are you going to print a spot color behind this or white behind this image?
Yes.
Yes. So how do you do that?
You go to the spot color. And then you check this to make sure it's correct.
Okay, and then the image base, same density. What does that mean? Do you remember?
It means you put white under a new color.
Yeah, under any color. And we're printing at 100% density, right? Okay.
And that means it's good.
Yep, and the only reason we're printing on 100% density is because we're printing on a single print head, and it only has 2 channels or 2 dampers hooked to our print head. If we were printing on 2 print heads and we had 100% 6 channels, we probably would keep that around 0 to print the same amount of white. But since it's the ZZ1S, one print head machine, we're going to print at 100%. Okay, so now is that file ready to send to the printer?
Yes.
Yes, it is. All right, go ahead and click print, right? So we click print. And then don't click it yet, but which one are we going to print?
You want to put print.
Print. What does that do? Don't click it yet, but what does that do?
Print is when you just print one.
Yep.
And then rip is when you want to print it multiple times without repeating the process.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, so let's turn off the, go ahead and pretend like we're clicking print right now, but we didn't click it. So we're clicking print, and that's going to send it to the printer and go right now. But there's something we have to do before we actually print, right? All right, so let's do that now. Good.
Okay, so this is the mouse pad that we'll be printing on. It's very flexible. So let me get this aligned up.
So what are we doing? Where are we trying to put the?
I'm trying to put it on the lines.
Okay.
And make sure. So.
And what are these lines, JC?
It's to guide us for the printer.
The printer. So these are lines that we printed on here to tell us right where 0 is, right? Okay.
Make sure that's good. Looks good to me. Okay.
I'm glad you're printing a lot of white because that's black. Okay. What do you got to do now?
Now.
All right. So we got that all positioned. What do we got to do now?
Okay. Now we gotta put it in. So we gotta measure the distance between this and this.
The print head and the mouse pad. Okay. Not too far and not too close, right?
So we put it in.
It's got to be just right. Okay. So you got the mouse pad under the sensor, I see. That's good.
Then you pick up.
And what's that noise mean, do you know?
That means it's too close to the sensor.
That's as close as it needs to be to the sensor.
Basically. And then you click down once.
Okay.
And then you bring this over.
Do you know why we're bringing it over?
This is how we measure. Basically.
That's how we measure and make sure we actually physically need to see where the print head is to what we're printing, right? Good job.
Good?
Yep, that's right.
And you click lock.
Okay.
And then it's ready to print.
It's ready to print? All right, so let's go ahead and go click that print button.
There we go. And now it should start printing any second now.
All right, 99%, almost done. Good to pull that off. Show them the ink's dry, buddy.
And instantly, the ink is dry.
Right, how flexible is that soft ink?
Very flexible.
Wad that up into a ball for me.
Wad it up into a ball.
In front of the camera. Good job. Now let's see. Is it still good?
Still look good. Fine.
Pinch it almost completely in half. Let me see. I'm most curious with this stuff. Let's see if I know if we did this on hard inks, it'd crack right here. Did you see? No cracks. That's some good stuff, man. Here you go. How much was that blank? How much was this blank mouse pad, JC?
This blank mouse pad costed us $2.
What do you think a custom mouse pad would sell for?
Around $12.
$12. So what? You have about $10 to play with there. How many of those do you think you could print at one time on this little ZZ1S machine?
At least 3 to 4.
You think you could print 3 to 4?
One there, one there, one there.
Oh wow, I was thinking 2. So 3 or 4. If you had the 6090, you could probably print 10 or 12 at a time, make $100 a print. Okay, so we had we used our soft inks from jaceprinters.com, right? All right, links will be posted.
Yep.
Hey, thanks, JC. You want to tell everyone goodbye?
Goodbye, everyone.
Now you get to take that mouse pad and go play Minecraft with it.
Okay.
Okay.
Minecraft.
Yay. I hope you guys enjoyed this special. Links will be posted in the description for the soft inks, the printers, and the mouse pads. If you guys found anything here useful, please consider subscribing to my channel. Again, I'm Jay. This is my to-do list. Thanks for stopping.